Now, in a moment, I'm going to show you a brand new technique to make a lot of money online by simply utilizing Google Translator for free. And you could earn tens of thousands of dollars doing so. In this video, you must follow my basic and easy directions. This does not need any prior knowledge or experience. And the best part is that you don't have to pay anything to use this approach, and it's available all over the world. There are many opportunities if you come from the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, India, the Philippines, Nigeria, or Pakistan. This is how much money you can make with today's strategy. You can earn between $100 and $150 for translating 2 files using Google Translate. You can earn up to $450 if you translate 4 files. And you can earn up to $700 if you translate 8 files. And there is a lot of money to be made. This is also something you can do again and over again. Before we get started with this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like it, and turn on the notifications so you'll be the first one to know when we post a new video to learn and keep up with the new ways to make money online. Finally, don't forget to leave a comment in the section below. So, just in a moment, I'll show you all the steps you need to know. You may do it on your computer or on your phone, and I'll show you how to make a lot of money online using Google Translate. But you must follow my instructions. The first thing you need to go to a website called latium.org. I will leave the link for it in the description. I'll explain how it works as well as all the processes and training, so you can do precisely what I did before doing it on your own. So right now, I'd like to demonstrate that this website has a lot of earning potential. As you can see from the prize offer of $1,500 to $3,000, there is a lot of money to be made. So let me quickly demonstrate how it works, and then in a moment, I'll show you how to sign up and win a free sign-up bonus of free money. So make sure you don't miss out, but first and foremost, you'll be able to browse through different projects after you join up for this website. Similar to what I just demonstrated, there are a variety of projects, offers, and jobs that you may participate to earn in US dollars, Bitcoin, PayPal money, and a variety of other payment methods on your account. So you can go to the Latium website and hunt for a new project to work on, submit it, and get started right away. The second stage is to complete the project and then submit it to the Latium contract management system. Step 3, which we all adore, is that after your work has been evaluated and approved, your payment will be sent to your Latium wallet quickly and without delay. So go to latium.org, click on I want to work, then click on this button right here, and you'll be sent to a page where you'll enter your first name, last name, email login, and password. Then click I'm not a robot button, and then continue button. So once you've done that and signed up, you should be able to get a free $1 sign up bonus, but you'll need to verify your email address first. So go to your inbox and click the activation link to get your Latium account set up, and you should be able to see your free $1. You should be able to see all the different projects that you may join and choose from once you sign up. Enter into your account and click on Explore Projects. You can then execute the jobs and get paid. The issue is that there are so many projects and tasks to complete. And I know that many of you, including myself, have never done anything like this before. I don't know how to do graphic design, website development, software development, or usability testing, for example. The benefit of this, for example, is that you don't need to have any talent or experience to perform it. All you need to do now is concentrate on the translation and language. When you get out there, click on this translation and language link in the top right corner, and you'll find a list of various translation and language projects you can complete. I'll provide you some instances of online jobs that you may apply for and earn money from. For example, you might obtain Hindi articles as seen here and decide to translate your work from Hindi to English, earning $75. There are also other projects that they want you to translate from Japanese to English, for which you can get $75. They'll pay you in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or other currencies specified below once you've accomplished your duties. Alternatively, you can be paid in US dollars using bank transfer, PayPal, online money, or Pioneer. On our website, you can choose from a number of different payment methods. As you can see, this is one of the articles available to you. This is a Hindi language article. Now, if you know anything about Hindi or are from India, please let me know down in the comment section below, since you can simply translate these Hindi articles into English and make money online by doing so. I recognize that many of you are traveling from different parts of the globe and may not be able to communicate in many languages. But the issue is, in this video, I'm just going to teach you how to use Google Translate's power to perform all the work for you and automate the process. As a result, you can profit every single day. But all you have to do is just follow my instructions. I'd like you to go to Google Translate first. As you can see above, you may select and copy and paste the language from the menu on the left, and it will be quickly translated into English. But this is too small to enlarge. All I have to do now is proceed to this location. Go to google.com and click this link, and you'll be taken to this page, which is much easier to work due to its size. So, first and foremost, you'll want to paste the article over here on the left, and once you obtain your position, you'll be able to see where you can copy everything for. And I'm going to copy this into document. So all I have to do now is start writing, clicking, and copying. Then I'll come back here and Google Translate everything. Then I'll paste everything right here. As you can see, Hindi is recognized, which indicates that Google Translate would recognize it as Hindi language and perform the translation into English as seen here. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to copy everything. So I'll either copy this one or just click this copy button right here to start a new document. Select new from the file menu, then document from the drop down menu. So right now I can insert my English translation into this new document. I'm going to redo everything. I'm going to come over here and point out the next section. Then I'll simply duplicate this once again, then come back here and copy this. Then delete everything and replace it with the new material. Then I'll wait for the English translation. As a result, you can use this method to repeat the procedure. You can also send the entire document as seen below. You're free to translate the text as I have done so far. You can also use this page to browse your computer and submit the complete Google document to this Google Translator, which will quickly translate the entire content. After that, we will be paid if we submit it to other jobs and offers. For instance, they'll pay you less for Hindi, but if you're lucky, you might get some Spanish, German, or even Japanese work, and they'll pay you up to $100 per task. Then, it's only a matter of repeating the process. For example, I'll simply highlight this Japanese language and copy it vertebrum. Then I'll return to Google Translate and copy and paste it here. Then you'll have to translate your information into English. It's a simple operation that I believe anyone can perform. It's possible to do it on your phone or on your computer. So don't be concerned to use Google Translate. Simply go to google.com and type in Google Translate. This program or application takes care of everything for you. This is all there is to it. Before you leave, take a look at my other videos if you enjoy similar content. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, activate the notification bell, and give us a thumbs up. And we will see you in the next video.